Hello and welcome to the Northern Brewer University Ingredients Series, Hops. It's the second installment in our multi-part series on beer ingredients. My name is Nate and I'll be your guide as we take a look at every brewer's favorite flower. Just as with our previous class on malt, this hops course will provide a good background understanding of an important beer ingredient. And while we look at how hops are used in different ways for different beer styles, this is not intended to be a recipe design or building course, though we will be offering those classes in the future. However, we do assume some level of knowledge about beer brewing, either extract or all grain. In this course, we'll talk about what hops are, where they're grown, and what form you might find them in. We'll also look at the major categories of hops and their aroma and flavor profiles. Hops can be used throughout the brewing and fermentation process, and brewers are using them in new ways all the time. We'll talk about these methods and their impact on flavor and aroma. Plus, we'll break down 3 recipes to compare and contrast hop performance. Finally, we'll get a bit nerdy and do some sensory analysis on 2 very different varieties of hops. So if you're ready for a deep dive into all things hoppy, join us for this Ingredients Series course.